Da 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 da. I'm so retarded. Mommy, I want to be a pumpkin. Da da da. Da 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 da. Hey, you don't look at me when I'm naked. Da 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 da. Oh, I'm forgetting my book bag. Mommy, am I forgetting anything else?
Ducky.
Oh, my ducky, my ducky, my ducky. Am I forgetting anything else? Where's my hot?
Your what?
My hot. Should I take our dog a walk? Come here. Ugh, this is so much stuff. Okay, I got a pet duck. I got a pet dog. It will bark at you. Let me just get it mad. It's barking.
Why does your ducky have a handle?
Cause it is a retarded ducky. Okay, so shut up. Ooh, it's mad.
Shake a little booty.
Oh yeah.
You know that I killed a spider on that before?
Thanks for telling me.
That's why there's a mark in there.
Like your vibrator. I mean a phone vibrator. Mommy? Mommy, answer me.
Right.
Can I have a thong for Christmas?
Are you done?
I think so, Mommy. Where'd I find it?